The boys are back. The boys are back in town. Woo! Squad's back. Woo! Why such a sad face? Oh, she wanted to close the umbrella inside instead of outside because it's a rainy day, but we're trying to tell her that it's bad luck. But that's okay! Turn the phone upside down. Okay, we're gonna try some snacks. Okay, first snack, we're gonna try some peppered beef jerky. A little spicy.
A little spicy.
A little spicy. A little spicy.
We're so silly.
We are a little spicy, so you can't be sad if you got a little spice to you. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I do.
Oh, I do too.
You do?